painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. As always, I am so glad you're here. I haven't painted in a bit, and it's really good to be back down here in my studio. I just want to take a brief moment to reach out to all of you who sent your prayers, your love, your beautiful, kind words that warmed my heart and my daughter's heart as well during this sad time in our family. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Excuse me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's paint. I'm going to do a swipe. I haven't painted in, oh goodness, a pretty long time. I'm going to do a swipe, and I'm going to do a swipe with some neutral colors, which, if y'all know me, is my jam. So let's talk about our stuff we got going on here. I'm using a gallery wrapped artist's loft canvas. It's a 20 by 24, and guys, if you haven't heard already, Michael's has got 70% off the gallery wraps I ordered online for curbside pickup, and I'm heading that way here real soon. New paint today. I saw Karen Durson from Waterfall Acrylics use these in a beautiful pour, and this is Alchemy Metallics, and this is really pretty. This is called Hazelnut, so we're going to give this a go today and see how that does. This yummy cup right here is golden iridescent copper fine. This beauty right here is golden burnt sienna. Pretty colors today, guys. I'm hoping they play well. This handsome fella is golden iridescent bronze. And guys, I'll list my paint colors at the end of the video, as well as a picture of them, so you don't have to scurry to write this stuff down. I'll also put it in the drop-down description box, guys. This is golden iridescent pearl. All my paints today are mixed with 75% Floetrol and 25% golden GAC 800. We've got about 1 part paint, 4 parts PM with my golden fluids, and with this new paint right here, we've got 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. Our base coat today is yummy. Our best base coat is Rust-Oleum Metallic Accents. This is the metallic champagne, and I mixed in with that the iridescent bronze by Golden. So it is extremely handsome. Let's take a look at it. It's right here in this big old cup. So I'm really excited about this pour. Our swiping tool of choice today is going to be damp paper towels. I don't know, I might whip out the little flexible plastic as well. So I'm going to get some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, do a little dancing around, and hope to make a really pretty painting for y'all. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's get busy.
Give me something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. Can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh. still with me all the time. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifted away. Now I'm drifting It's done, all done. Time flies, I know that's for sure. Yeah. You're gone, you're gone. I'm not your prisoner in your cold war anymore. Oh no. But I have a feeling that we never really move on from our past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all